Greetings from CFTRI. It is indeed a pleasure to be talking about the renowned scientist, Dr. K.R. Bhattacharya. He was known to be a perfectionist and a very systematic and dedicated worker. In fact, way back when I joined this institute in 1987, he made us write the objectives and the targets for the coming week in the R&D sector and what we had achieved with respect to those indicated targets. And every Friday, we had to give our book to Dr. Bhattacharya, and he would go through those books, all of us, we were about 50 to 60 people in the department. He would go through all of those books, and Monday morning at 9 o'clock, these books corrected with his signature would be there on our desk. He was also a person who dedicated not only his life at CFTRI, but after retirement also, he worked with KRBL for quite some time. Probably during the last 5 years of his life, he did not work. But still, he did work with respect to publishing books. 2 fantastic books have been brought out, which today you could call them as the Bible on rice. One is on rice quality, the other one is on rice grain with respect to its milling, parboiling, drying and all those things. Fantastic books that have been published by him. He was also known to be a very ardent and devoted worker towards rice. We have hardly seen anybody like this. Dr. Bhattacharya's children were in fact my juniors at CFTRI school. Both Kaushik and Balani have risen to a stature which is befitting a person like Dr. Bhattacharya. In fact, Dr. Bhattacharya's wife, we used to all call her as auntie, was also instrumental in teaching us when the CFTRI school was infancy, and it was done in the shed of the various residences here at CFTRI. Dr. Bhattacharya's style of writing and mode of communication is very typical. If you go through the 2 books that he has written, and the second book has been authored by Dr. Bhattacharya and his first student, Dr. Ali, it clearly indicates what he wants to tell through this medium. And the fact of the matter is that the R&D work that he undertook at KRBL, he put it up as a paper for people to take it up and go forward. And that is where I congratulate and I salute APIT for having taken up this initiative of Dr. Bhattacharya in seeing that all that he had thought about, all that he had wished for is coming true in the form of APIT. This is in fact a very, very good gesture, and I take this opportunity to wish APIT more success and to see that the dreams of Dr. Bhattacharya are made a reality. I thank you very much for having given me this opportunity.